How to reduce ribbon size in Microsoft Word and Excel. So if you are working on a laptop or a smaller monitor, Microsoft Word and Excel's massive top ribbon menu can swallow up nearly a quarter of your vertical screen space. You don't need all those massive icon blocks visible 24/7 while you're just trying to type or crunch numbers. Today I'll show you how to instantly shrink, collapse, or simplify the ribbon layout to maximize your workspace. So the absolute fastest way to shrink ribbon is to hide the icon grid entirely while keeping your menu headers visible. So to do this instantly, let us open up our project, look at your top menu bar, and simply double click any active tab header, for example like Home or Insert. There you go, like this. And the entire lower icon panel will snap upward out of view. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can just hit Ctrl F1 on Windows or Command Option R on a Mac to toggle the panel on and off. And once it's hidden, the icons will only drop down temporarily when you click a tab header, and they will automatically slide back out of the way the moment you click back down into the document canvas page or some spreadsheet cells. If you still want your icons visible but just want them smaller, newer versions of 365 allow you to switch to a sleek single row layout. So look at the absolute far right edge of your ribbon panel and click on a tiny downward pointing arrow right over here. Look at the layout menu will open. Switch the setting from classic ribbon to simplified ribbon, if you have it of course. This condenses the bulky multi-row command matrix into a single, clean strip of small icons. If your ribbon still looks bloated, you can click the ribbon display options and ensure that your interface spacing is set to mouse mode instead of a touch mode. So that is it. Now your interface layout is perfectly optimized, giving you massive, clean canvas to focus on your content. That's it for this one guys, enjoy, and thank you for watching.